Hello guys, I just hope everyone is doing well. So as you know guys, maths it usually come with tricky parts. Do you see? Imagine yourself you come across a question like this. How will you take your LCD? So a key thing guys that you can do there is for you to change this bigger number into exponential form. Just say 4 equals shift factor. Do you see what I get? That thing, what does it mean? It simply means that it's 2 times 2. Then what about for 12? For there it's equal shift fact. Then 12, this is what you get, which is 2 times 2 and times 3. So what I want you guys to take note them. This one I already changed them, and I also got a denominator which is 2. At the same time I got a denominator which is 3 there. Do you see? So it means that when you take your LCD, it will become like this. What is repeating? You will count it once, meaning there you will just take it, that 2, you will count it once there. Then you multiply this here. By what? You will multiply with this 2 there. You will also count it once. Then you also multiply this there. You will also count it once by 3 there. Do you see this thing? Yeah. So it means all of this thing there is the same as 12, by the way, for numbers. Do you see? Yeah. So it means that for numbers you can take it as 12 as your what? As your LCD there. Then that x guys, it's also repeating there. You will count it once there, meaning your LCD will become 12x there. Do you see? Yeah. So let's just do it down here. Let's just say our LCD, it will become 12 and x there. That x, you count it once now. Then let's take that 12 now, multiply each term there. It means that 12 will multiply here. It will be 1 multiplied by 12x divided by 4. Say plus 12x multiplied by this thing divided by what? By 12x, which is equal to by what? 1 multiplied by 12x divided by 2 minus by 2 multiplied by 12x divided by 3x there. So this is what I want you to take note of, that here's this one. This one is your LCD. Remember, how do you do with your LCD? That LCD, it will multiply upwards there. Do you see? So this is what will happen guys. When you press this thing on your calculator, it will give you what? 3x plus here, this will just get cancelled there. Meaning here you will only left with what? With x minus 2 inside the brackets. And here we got invisible 1, because all of this thing when you divide it give you that 1. Then for this one, the when you divide this thing there on your calculator will give you what? It will give you 6x there minus x that will cancel, but when you divide this thing it will give you 4, and 4 times 2 it's 8 guys. Do you see? Even if all of this thing you can press it like this, still it will give you 8. Then now you simplify, that one will multiply there. Anything when you multiply by 1 you get the same thing guys. So which is this 3. So do you notice that this and that are the like term? And now let me just take everything on one side, everything there on one side, so that I can collect like term. Before I collect this one, let me write them here. Meaning this one, they will change the sign. Here I will left with 0. So now I can tell that these are the like term there. A number to a number. So if I can press this and that on a calculator, I'm supposed to get negative 2x. This and that, they will give me what? Will give me positive 6 there, 0. So now I can solve for x, try to make x to be alone by taking that 6 to that other side, which is that 6 there will become negative, and 0 there will disappear. What is in front from what I need? Divide by it. Meaning my answer is supposed to be 3 there. I hope guys I didn't do any mistakes here when I was calculating my like term, because this and that it's 4 and this it's negative 2. I hope so. So what about for this one? How will you take your your LCD. So for you guys to take a LCD here, remember what I showed you here. You change everything into what? Exponential form. That 4 there and that 8, and we even got another 8, and that 2 there, it's already there like that. So if I can change 4 there, it will be 4 times 4. Do you see? Then what about for 8? 8 there, it will be this times this there, which is this times that. Do you see this thing? Because there, let's just press our 80 there, equal shift factor there. Do you see it got 2 to the exponent 3? It means that it repeat 3 times, as you can see. So this is what will happen there. All of this thing, they will take it as in it's 1, meaning there it's this thing there. Do you see this thing? And even this one, it's repeating for all of them like this there, times by 2 there. Do you see? And also this one there, it's repeating, meaning times by 2 there. That thing, it's your LCD. Do you see? So it means that your LCD, it is still 80 here, your LCD. A lowest common denominator there, it will be 8. Then because those x guys are repeating, we can count them once there. Meaning now I can say again now, okay, my LCD will become 8x. I will take that 8x, I multiply each term, meaning that it will be 3, meaning that it will be 3 multiplied by 8x divided by 4x minus 7 multiplied by 8x divided by 8x minus by 5. Just like this, guys. If you can just know how to take a LCD, you will never go wrong, trust me. And now this is what will happen there. Remember, this one is your LCD, guys. I hope now you are following this thing. So this one is your LCD. It will multiply the on a denominator. This is, or it will multiply on a numerator, guys. It will go upwards there, meaning all those x will get cancelled, x will cancel. When you press this thing there on a calculator, all of this thing there is the same as 2, meaning that it's 3 times 2, which is what? It's 6 there, minus, so this one will cancel there. Here you'll only left with 7 there. Say minus, which is here, this will cancel. Then here you're left with 5x there. Then for this one, if you can press this thing there on a calculator, that thing there, it will only give you 4, meaning that it's 4x there. Do you see? So okay, now I can collect like term there. Let me just take this thing to the other side once, so that I can check all the like term, meaning on this side it will be 0. So do you notice that this and that are the like term, a number to a number, meaning that if I can press this, I should get -1. This and that, I should get -9x, 0 there. Because I want to solve that x, meaning I want to make x to be alone, first of all, I will take this thing to the other side. That thing that will become 0, +1, which is it's 1, x there. What is in front from what I need? I divide by it, guys. So that this thing that will get cancelled, meaning now my x value there will be -1/9. Do you see, guys? Yeah. So some other question, they don't even need you to apply quadratic equation. As you can see, what they need you to know how to take your LCD so that you can eliminate fractions. Do you see?